How to beautifully photograph women with a flash while taking advantage of natural light. In this video, I will show you how to take advantage of light from a large window in the background while using a flash to beautifully photograph a woman. This studio is white with a large window in the background. First, let's take a photo using only the natural light. Let's try to match the exposure with the subject. The photo looks okay, but the background is washed out. When taking a portrait, it's important to capture the white details as well. I want to capture the details of the background, so I will adjust the exposure to match the background. The subject is under exposure. So now let's try photographing with a flash. The light to be used this time is a Godox 8200 mounted on a Godox parabolic softbox. We place the flash directly at the subject. The light is hard and looks obvious that the flash was used. It's not a nice photo. This time, we set the flash on the left and in the back of the subject to make a kind of half backlighting by facing it to the camera. We try taking a photo and bounce this light off of a large reflector board. A soft light hits the subject, and not only is there a nice edge light in her hair, but we were able to utilize the natural light from the window. The white details in the background are shown naturally without being washed out. By matching the quality and direction of natural light with the quality and direction of the flash, you can take pictures that bring out women's charm while making the photo look natural.